Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing a Pure Maxion water filter right here. The Maxion water filter is similar to a Brita filter, but this is, I believe, a little bit thinner and fits in the refrigerator a little bit better. This right here is their Maxion filter technology. It reduces copper, mercury, certain pesticides, industrial pollutants, and reduces chlorine, taste, and odor, and a lot more. And they're coming out with this new filter right here, this faster filter, certified to reduce 2 times more contaminants. All right, so we're gonna open this up. It's pretty much simple. Talks about on the back all the heavy metals and everything that it removes, pesticides and whatnot. There's a whole list. I'm not going to bore you with all of that. Right here, they have their new filter, which actually filters a little bit faster. All right, so we're going to go over here and look at this. The instructions are pretty much on the side. Before I open it, it says, rinse filter with cold water, wait 15 seconds. Insert filter, twist lock. Fill pour tray with water. Replace filter every 40 gallons, about 2 months. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up from the back. Really easy to open up back here. Just go ahead and slip that out. Pop that open right here. Now the reason why I got this is because I can't put a faucet filter on, so I had to get the container. I'm gonna go ahead and put this away. Some instructions right here about the Maxion technology. I tend to like Pure water filters a little bit better than Brita, so I got this one. I think this is some reading material, shows how to put it together. I'm gonna put it together for us, all right, today. So I'm gonna go ahead, read some of this later on when I'm in the restroom. All right, so I'm gonna put that to the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and open the filter. So here's the filter right here. Here's the filter. It's pretty cool looking. Don't know what to make of it exactly. And here's the spigot right here. Use that to get some nice fresh water. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this stuff out. Have a coupon, tomato right here. I'm gonna use to get extra filters later on, save $2. Might be able to buy nothing with that, but it's okay, I'm saving $2. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. That's the top of it. Set this to the side right here. And inside is, I'm assuming, is the filter. It's in some fancy plastic. I'm gonna pull out right here. Look at that. Fancy schmancy. So I'm gonna put the cardboard all to the side. And then I have the filter, the Pure filter. It says easy, rinse with cold water for 15 seconds before using. All right, so I'm gonna peel that back. Here's the filter right here. I'm gonna rinse this for 15 seconds. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out for 15 seconds. Gonna rinse this. Actually, I'm gonna come over here so you guys can see it as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. And I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this. All right, so with cold water for 15 seconds. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you can see this. Zoom up a little bit. All right, so this is the process it says I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to rinse it for 15 seconds. Let me go ahead and turn this down so it's not splattering everywhere. So I'm just gonna rinse this for 15 seconds, like they say. Probably to get some of the loose carbon material off of this and whatever may be floating around on this. I don't know, I don't want to think about it. So I'm gonna rinse it for 15 seconds. And then I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna come back over here. And I'm gonna insert the filter in place. All right, so zoom out a little bit. And I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put the filter in place like it says, so I'm gonna put it in here, slide it in there. There's 2 notches. I'm gonna show you the 2 notches. So it goes, make sure that these notches right here line up inside of there, right? So I'm gonna take this, push it down, twist it. All right, so now that it's twisted, I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with water. Come back over here to the sink. I'm gonna take this filter, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill this thing with water. I'm just gonna fill this up right here, and then it's gonna leak down, and I'm gonna put it away. So I'm just gonna fill this up. This is cool water going on right here. All right, and as you can see, it's leaking down into the bottom part of the container. I'm gonna show that for you in a second. As soon as this fills up a little bit, I'm gonna set it on the counter, and I'm gonna show you that part where it's going down inside of the bottom part of the container. All right, so I'm gonna set this up, and look at this. All right, I'm gonna come down a little bit. Look at that. It's dripping inside of the container like that. That's what we want. It's filtering into the container. All of those contaminants are being filtered out, as Pure says. All right, now the only thing we have to do is put the container top back on. All right, so the container top right here, place that into place, and it is ready. And I'm gonna show you how the water comes out. I'm gonna keep this in the refrigerator. Some of you may not, because you like room temperature water. And so when it's filling up, it's still filling up somewhat, but it's enough for me to use the spigot. In order to dispense the spigot, the water from the spigot, I'm gonna take this, and the water comes out. All right, so that is the Pure water filter pitcher unboxing, how to assemble, how to use. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.